Alright, let's do these eyelashes here, and basically what we can do is just go to Mesh Tools, grab the Create Polygon, and just click, 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 boom! There you go. How easy was that? Right, let's bring it forward. Let's see what we've got. Now, first of all, it's inside out, so just go to Mesh Display, Reverse. There you go. And I believe we're still in soft select mode, so hit B just to get rid of it. And next thing is to just connect the vertices, and so what I want to do is double click on the multi-cut, make sure edge flow is switched off. It is. Boom. And just do some connection, maybe add some resolution here, connect that, add some resolution, connect that, add some resolution. And if you notice, I'm making sure that it's all quadded, which is four sides. Four sides. This isn't four-sided. That is now four-sided, and then there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is five-sided. Boom. Everything is four-sided, as you can see. All right, and what I want to do basically is bend this eyelash, because at the minute it's just like straight, so I want to bend it, and we can actually add more resolution to create a better bend. I think that'll do. And also we can grab the edge loops and do our trusty old edge flow, just to kind of equalize the distance between the edges and create a much better edge flow. There we go. Alright, and another thing is, before we do the bend as well, we need to add some depth to this eyebrow. And so let's do that. Hit extrude and just, there we go. We want it to be fairly thin. There we go. And let's reverse it. There we go. And let's hit 3. It's fairly soft, so we've got to do some support and edge loops just to let's have a look. Okay, Control S over C, grab the multi-cut, and multi-cut's gone a bit crazy at the minute. Alright, there we go. Okay, so boom, we'll put that in the middle. Well, it's not exactly in the middle. If you want to put it exactly in the middle, is when you hold down Control, you've got to click the middle mouse button. There we go, instead of the left one. And let's do that. Let's do that. Now, I created an edge loop here, so as you can see, it goes across here and goes down, but then it goes down there. I don't want it to go down there. I want it to actually continue around this corner here, you see. So you have to be in control of the edge flow. Don't let Maya take control of what you intend to do. There we go. And so we don't actually need this edge loop. Control delete. And so we've created some triangles, so it's easy to get rid of them. Select these two vertices and merge, 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 and there you go. And then we want an edge loop at the bottom here. Boom. There you go. And one here, one there, and quite possibly one in the middle as well. And now when we hit 3, look at that. So it's important to be in control of the edge flow and which way you want the your resolution to flow. Okay, so we've done that. And let's see what we need to do. Just going to bring it forward just a little bit. There we go. And freeze transformations, everything's on 0, so this is the starting point. And we can actually copy this, so Control D and bring it here. But we want to flip it, so in this direction. Can you see the red here? The red represents the X, so scale X -1. Boom, there you go. It's the other way around, and we can just rotate it. Make sure the pivot is in the center. It is. Yeah, so I'm going to put it in world mode and just shrink it a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And obviously it just needs to come back a bit. Right, okay, and then we can freeze transformations and everything else with it. So that's nice and 0, that's nice and 0. So we've got our two eyebrows. So let's deal with the big one first. Grab it and go to deform and non-linear, and you got bend, and then you hit the curvature, it starts bending. But we want it to bend maybe like in this direction here, and not upwards, but this way or that way, which is roughly about -90, but something like that anyway. Okay, so let's play around with the bend deformer. There you go. Like, you can control the bend and just play around with it. Boom, boom. Let's go into object mode. There we go, something like that. Can you see it bending around the eyeball a bit better? Maybe. So it's up to you how you want to, play around with the bend. Maybe like that. You can also do it with a high end and a low. So you've got low bound, high bound, and just. So I kind of like this part to be a bit more straighter. So kind of like that. There you have it. Hit delete history once you're happy with it, and that is that bend done. There you go. We can call this the left eyebrow. Left eyebrow. It's eyelash really, isn't it? It's not an eyebrow, it's an eyelash. Left eyelash. And then the same with this one here. And or probably, let's see if we hide it and then Control D duplicate this. And then scale X -1. Maybe we don't have to bend it again. So boom, boom. There you go. Maybe a bit like that. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad actually. Yeah, looks fine. Yeah, why not? So this is right eyelash. Shift Control H, bring the straight one back, select it, we don't need it, boom, gone. There you go, we've done the eyelashes, the eyebrows. I'm not going to bother with them, they're just sticking up in the air. It's an artistic choice. If you want to do that, you can. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to make these a bit bigger, actually. There we go. Just kind of make it follow the drawing a bit more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, if you want to do the eyebrows, it's entirely up to you. I'm not going to bother, to be honest. Or I might change my mind and just do them later. But anyway, so it's entirely up to you. And I would say that this model is now done. So I will see you next video.